Do you want to become a millionaire? Of course you do. We all do. However, does the stock market scare you? Some people might be telling you that growth stocks are the way to go. With insane year-over-year growth and juicy capital gains, they may look attractive. But is the looming crash too much for you to comfortably buy into these growth stocks like Nvidia, Apple, and Meta? You might be wondering, is the bubble going to burst? What if I told you there was a safer way to invest? A way that beats the market during a crash and also pays you while it grows? Well, let me introduce you to dividend investing, specifically an ETF called SCHD. During 2022, when large cap growth stocks saw a downtrend of over 30%, SCHD held strong and only saw a loss of about 3%, all the while paying you dividends of about 22 cents per share quarterly or 3.4% per share annually. Before I show you the outlook of SCHD and exactly how much money you will need to become a millionaire, and trust me, the amount you need to invest each month will surprise you, please like the video and subscribe as it keeps me motivated to continue making daily content. Thank you in advance. Now let's take a look at what SCHD can do for your wallet. Let's say you have $10,000 to invest into SCHD. Well, first off, you should dollar cost average that sum into SCHD so you create a better average cost basis for your portfolio share price of SCHD. Dollar cost averaging is just investing smaller amounts daily, weekly, or monthly into a stock so that you beat the ups and downs of the market by having an average cost of the highs and lows. For the purpose of this video though, let's assume the $10,000 is invested at once and you never put another penny into SCHD for 30 years. With an annual dividend increase of 10.62% and an average share price increase of 8.46%, and assuming all dividends are reinvested, then after 30 years, you'd be left with $440,000. That's pretty good for a one-time investment of $10,000, but you clicked on this video because you want to know how much money you need to become a millionaire. I'll show you that now in two different scenarios, one where you start with $10,000 and one where you start with nothing. If you invest $10,000 into SCHD and then for 30 years you invest an extra $126 every month, then you'll be left with a little over $1 million. Now if you start with $0, then you will need to invest $226 every month for 30 years to also end up with a little over $1 million. Again, both of these scenarios are assuming you are reinvesting all of the dividends back into SCHD. Now, what's even better about becoming a millionaire with SCHD is the fact that you're still going to be receiving those dividend payouts once you reach $1 million. You can expect an annual dividend payout of about $60,000 after you reach 30 years investing in both of the scenarios I showed you. This, of course, is a great annual income to live off of, not to mention you will also have a portfolio value of $1 million. To sum up the video, you don't need as much money as you think to become a millionaire the relatively safe way. However, this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor, so take it with a grain of salt and always do your own due diligence before investing. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you made it this far, and I'll see you in the next one.